Today's video highlights our super cute Deluxe Mini Lip Gloss Sampler. This is a handpicked selection of 5 shades from our new Unlimited Lip Gloss line. So the 5 shades in here, from the top we have Berry Delight, Iconic Red, Fancy Nancy, Unique Mauve, and Tawny Nude. So there's at least one color that should look good on pretty much anyone in here. We have 3 different finishes for our lip glosses. There's a pearl, a shimmer, and a cream, and there's a mix of all of them in here. So you get to try all of them. And these are also, I think, some of the most versatile and pretty shades. There are 14 total, but these are the 5 that come in here, and they're super cute, and it's just a great way to sample and test out our lip glosses if you don't want to go for a full-size one just yet. And it makes a super cute gift too. They're all packaged. Let's see, it just slide out right here. Oh, dropped one. But these are there's a good amount of product in them. It's definitely more than one application. I've had these and I still use them off and on if I want to do a different shade that I don't have a full size of. So there's a good amount in there. I'm currently wearing actually a blend of Fancy Nancy and Berry Delight, which are both in here. I had Fancy Nancy on earlier, and then I decided I wanted it darker, so I added Berry Delight. They're pretty shades. The formula of our new lip glosses is incredible. It is so smooth. It's not sticky. It's not tacky. It's formulated with vitamin C and E for ultra moisturization in your lips. It has a hint of vanilla, so they smell and taste yummy. It's just a super incredible lip gloss. And even the wands are specially designed so that it hugs the curvature of your lip, which is amazing. So super great glosses, and I'm sorry I just dropped one out of here, but they come in this Deluxe Mini set of 5.